In this demo, we are going to see the example of normal reader class, file reader class, and buffer reader class. Okay. So our the file reader class is just reading file from the reading only the character data. Okay. So and now what is the buffer reader class? Buffer reader is class for reading the entire line. Okay. So just we let move to our file reader class. This is file reader demo. So see in this example, we have created the name with file reader demo. And first we are checking that our file exists or not, that the file we want to read exists or not. Okay, so if the file does not exist, and we will check with this method f dot exists. Okay, so this f is equal to new file and giving the name of file, it will not create or it will not delete any file. Okay, so it is just means creating only the object of file. Okay, so by this object f and f1 we are going to check this exist or not, and if this exists, then we can now delete this file or we can create the file. Okay, so let us suppose our file reader is reading this file, that is the file dot text. Okay, so now what I will do, I will create this file reader object and pass here the file. So what is it is reading the file and storing it in array. Okay, and we are passing this array as a okay. So this what we'll do, this in this read method is passing array. Okay, and store this the file reading what's in uh, the content of this file in this array, and we can after that print that array. So let us see how much data we are printing in this. So it is protect and it is showing only the one to few lines only. Okay, because the page semi properties, Wikipedia content, and only this is we are printing here. Okay, so now what we'll do, we will go with, so for this drawback we are going with this buffered reader demo. Okay, so what the buffered reader demo is doing, buffered reader demo is for reading the content line by line. Okay, might be that our the reader class will skip the content due to our this file. Okay, so our this file f1 this file dot text contain our data. I will show you what it contains. Okay, and now for using the buffer reader class, what I have done, I have created this uh, file reader object and passing this file reader stream object into this buffer reader. Okay, so what is doing, the buffer reader is reading from this file reader, and uh, this buffer reader is checking the this if the file reader empty or not. If and till end this loop will run till the file reader does not empty. Okay, so this is the br.read method will check if our file that our buffer is empty or filled. Okay, so by the help of this the custom logic, we can now check our the file. So now by the help of this br.read, we are reading over the entire document, and this document is written till now. See, this is the lengthy type of document I have. Okay, so that's all about buffer reader and the file reader classes. Okay, so next class we are going to learn about this character array. So character array means character array reader means reading the data only in the form of character. Okay, so what is the use of character demo? Character is just to reading the character in the form of simple characters. Okay, so there is one more thing, that is we can read data from the keyboard by the help of the buffer reader class also. Okay, so Now we will see our this character array demo example. Let us suppose we have this character array and we want to read this character array reader through. So where we can use this character array reader when we are trying to read our some byte data or some binary the unicode data, okay, in which we have a character type of array, so we can use this character array reader class. Okay, so what is happening here? I just created this character array reader object and read this character array. Okay, and now the similarly as character array writer example. What is suppose I have this ABCD file, okay, and what I want to write all the data to, I want to write this welcome to Java T.2 ABCD my class, okay. So and I am writing the same data to this. So how this data is written? Let us see. This is from the character array writer, okay. So let I check if my file exists or not. So I will create a file here. 1 second. Okay. So now I will comment this. I just want to write only to the two files. So just once for a stop sharing, and you sharing is just my sharing my screen with you all. Okay. So now what I will do, I will run this file and see success. So let I check. Yes, the screen is shared to you. So I will check that my file A, and let us see. Welcome to Java point is written to the this file also, and B also. I have written this character array. Okay. So why this class is used? This class is used to read the character array as a reader. Okay. Now this character array reader is composed of two words, character array and the reader class. So character array means combining the character array with the reader. Okay, so it can be used to write data common the common data to the multiple files. Same we have using the sequence input stream. In the byte stream we are doing the same thing, we are writing the same data to the multiple files. Okay, now the another class is print stream class that is used to write data to the another stream. Print stream is writing the data to the another stream. Now how we can write to the another stream? Okay, means let us suppose there are two streams. I am writing some data to the console, and after getting the console data, I am writing data to my file. Okay, so similarly there is a Java print writer class that is the implementation of writer class also, and it is used to print the formatted representation of objects to the text input form. Uh, for means we can write data from the console also, and data we can data write to the uh, print writer also. Okay, we can write the data to the print writer also as well as to the console also. Now the another class is our output stream writer and input stream writer. So output stream writer and input stream writer, why we are using that file? So before going to this, let us understand the one term that is the input stream reader and output stream reader. So these are the bridges between character from byte stream to the character stream. It reads the byte data and decodes the character decode into the character. Okay, so before going to this, first we look into this output stream writer. Output stream writer is used to convert the character stream to the byte stream. Okay, the characters are using encoded in the byte using a specified characters write method calls the encoding converter which converts the character byte data. Okay, so the resulting byte data are then accumulated in a buffer. So now let's see, let us see the example of this. The output stream is equal to new or file output stream. Means output stream is a parent class of that class. So we are storing this child reference variable into the parent class output stream. Okay, and the writer class we have created the object writer output stream writer is equal to new output stream writer. In the in this output stream writer we are writing hello world. So what is going? It is writing from this file output stream to the output to the writer. So writer is another input stream and file output stream is another input stream. Okay.